Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about cash trips, IRL examples.
Every week.
What to watch out for.
Every
so
week.
We're going to hit you with something.
Every week.
So
we used to do the fake names every week.
Yep. Now it's cash trips.
Ask cash chips until I eradicate cash chips off this planet.
You remember the song "More Money, More Problems"?
Yeah, more money, more problems. So folks, my email, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. If you're watching it now or later, if you decided to do cash chips or Uber snuck one by you because they flipped your toggle switch back to on without you knowing, it happens. It happens. So there you go. Roxy, send me some cash chips. Let's see how it's going. And
Actually,
Roxy,
send us the receipts because I'm really interested in seeing the actual receipt.
Yeah, Roxy, send me receipts. Sergio@therideshareguy.com. So this is another wonderful example of why not to do cash chips. So this gentleman right here did a cash chip, and he swears that he did not want to do cash chips. But then now his total balance is negative $18.28. It says in his wallet, your balance is negative because of your recent cash chips. Are we going to do that segment, buddy, about us charging all those service fees when we collect cash for Uber? We need to do that. I like that segment. Yeah, we need to do a segment on that because look, we're collecting. Look, when you buy a ticket in Ticketmaster, they charge you service fee, this fee, that fee.
Mm-hmm.
We're collecting money for Uber.
Cash convenience fee.
All kinds of shit. So anyway, so this gentleman got hit with negative 1828. So and then the next trip that he did, Chris, because of the negative 1828, Uber goes, no soup for you. Look at the upfront fare and look at his pay. So Uber is going to do this to you guys. If you do a cash trip and you hit with a negative, even if you didn't know you were doing a cash trip or don't want to do a cash trip, Uber goes zero. Upfront fare is $20, but you get nothing because you got to pay us that 1828 back first.
Well, wouldn't he be getting the $2.30 though?
Well, that will be in his wallet. It won't be on this trip here. It won't be updated there. But on this trip, he didn't get paid. Then he goes to, where does he go? Black hole support. Now there's AI chatbots. I can't read that too slow. So can you read what the poor guy said?
My trip was wrongfully adjusted, saying that your balance is negative because of your recent cash trips. I didn't do any cash trips, and my trip was adjusted to $0, and now my account has a negative balance because of it.
Right. And then go to the next one.
Why doesn't it say, first there on the receipt, though, it doesn't say cash. Why does it not say cash?
I don't think on the receipt it says cash. On the pink screen, it says cash. And then this is what Uber came back to him with. It should. Because look, I mean, number one, it's an accounting nightmare for the driver. You know what I'm saying? We're just trying to drive, bro. We're not keeping track of any of this stuff. What if Uber takes more than they should take? Whatever. But look what Uber said to that gentleman.
Hi, Blair. Thank you for reaching out to Uber support. I'm here to assist you today. I am AI. I'm sorry to hear about your confusion regarding your trip adjustment and the resulting negative balance. It seems there was an error in marking your trip as a cash trip, which has affected your account balance. A negative balance on your pay statement indicates an outstanding amount that needs to be addressed. This can occur due to various reasons, such as overpayment for a trip or a reverse cancellation fee. To resolve this, you have a few options. Pay the balance in full, set up a payment plan, contact Uber support to discuss further options. If the negative balance isn't resolved, there may be further actions taken to collect the debt, such as sending the account to collections. Never pay collections. We appreciate your patience and understanding. Thank you for choosing Uber, being a valuable platinum member.
Yeah, think about that. They're going to send them to collection. If you don't pay us back, we're going to send you to collection. So because of that,
good luck.
yeah, because of that, we need to charge you a service fee. I mean, Uber, I think it's fair. I think it's super fair.
Yeah. And you know what? It's called external fees.
Yeah.
So these are fees that are external. Cash handling fee, cash convenience fee, banking fee. These are all external fees that the driver has to deal with. And we are going to charge that to you, Uber, before giving you your money.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, you might be experiencing a negative bank account balance.
How about we have to drive to a bank to deposit ATM or whatever, right? We need to put miles on, extra miles, because Uber says don't walk around with cash. I'm like, yeah, because we're going to get robbed. Anyway,
the thing
here's another one, real life.
Yeah, but here's the thing. It starts off by saying, like, I'm sorry to hear about the confusion. And it seems there was an error in marking your trip as a cash trip, which affected your account balance. So right there, it says, oh, there was a mistake on our end. And then later they're like, well, fuck you anyway.
Yeah.
You still have to pay the account back. Like, there's no recourse there whatsoever.
Yeah. It went from like real gentle to F you, we send you to collection.
So
I like this idea. I like this idea right there. Yeah. We'll set up a payment plan for you, Uber. All the service we collect for you, we'll set up a payment plan. You can use Klarna, Uber, or Affirm. You can pay us back in installment.
Well, we'll get our money right away. You can pay Affirm, so then that way we can put the money right into T-bills or something.
Yeah, every week we're going to. So if you do have a story like this or similar, or actually,
you know what? Hold on, and then you know what? If there's a top-off payment, we will make sure to pay you Thursday every 2 weeks. Just so you know.
Bro, brilliant.
So, just so you know, Uber, you might get a top-off payment. Don't expect it, though.
Yeah, if we charge change Uber, we'll send it to you in 2 weeks.
But either way, yes. Hey, if you like taking cash trips, great. Just make sure you pay attention to all the things, especially when it comes to potentials of people saying, oh yeah, it was going to be a cash trip, then oh no, it's not going to be a cash trip, or vice versa, which we talked about last week. So it's just things to always pay attention to, especially have a dash camera. If you don't have a dash camera and you're doing cash trips, please do it, because that is going to record the entire interaction, including if the passenger says something that they're not supposed to or incriminates them when it comes to trying to prove your case that they go and lie to Uber about when it comes to these cash trips and these problems. Also, if they say, oh, well, I paid you X amount of dollars, when in actuality they paid Y amount of dollars, and there's a discrepancy there. Again, that entire reaction or interaction will be recorded on a dash camera. So it is absolutely imperative to make sure you have a dash camera that is on and rolling if you are going to take cash rides.
I agree 100%. And I am told, Chris, that nobody inside Uber likes cash trips.
Except for the executive team?
Well, I said nobody, not the ELT.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Well,
all the people who have to deal with these problems that come up from cash trips. But you know what it does, Chris? It pushes up gross bookings, my man. You know what I mean?
A little bit. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.